wonderful parents of the Chetwood Primary School. Indeed, we are so thankful for the many baskets, boxes, and bags of fruits, vegetables, and ground provision that you have sent for our harvest. We appreciate the monetary contributions that you have wrapped with love in those envelopes. You have been faithful throughout the years, and this centennial year is no different. May your food basket never grow dry as you continue to help us to build our dearly beloved Chetwood Memorial Primary School. Semper Fidelis, always faithful. May God continue to bless all of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.